everybody, this time I'm going to teach you a new technique. This is called house side falling technique. Here first we build the normal house line. So you are building houses. So we keep on build. And after that, you want to turn it side. For that, first we keep a domino here, little slanting, and we keep here one domino. Almost near we keep the domino, but the house side is changing. It should be almost touched so that it joins properly. And then we can move and move how much we want. But the only note is we have to keep them very near. We can move wherever we want. So let's stop a little. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Thank you.